Happy National Day, happy big day for country, for all one of outside the country people them. PG News debate for this big day for country. Inside we strong number them. We go talk chapter for accidents, for place where they call them say Pituare, for inside the far north region. At least two people them, they on top sick bed for Sika accident. Now so to go take una enter for another quarter where they call them say Jarengol. Now so for Marwa, where the year say four people them, they on top sick bed. So for Sika accident, all the accident them. Now Okada it provoke them. They will go talk on top this accident too. Where the year say na the big man where he the lookout Femencam where he get power for look out the one them for center and even a south region where he make accident. Where the year say inside the accident say person he die. We go talk chapter for Chakara for house 2 where be pass for Rumemos now for inside Douala here. We no go forget for Tekunasi as we the big day 20 May it happen. We sabi say at the big day no dey happen as we be get for pass. But how the different people them they glad this day we go take una go from Banga this afternoon for Tiko and even for Kumba as we the big people them for day they take for look this day we na big day for country. We no go forget on top chapter for Corona we go give una the latest update and sabi say Minister for Sports and Physical Education Chief Professor Narcis Mwele Kombi, it is also continue for Sise make work for Olembe. He finish quick. Small time, people them for CAF, they go enter for country. All this story them, another one we get inside story for this afternoon. Big people them talk, it tell we say no matter they can away cocoa, it full up for inside port. Water, it must have ever get space. No matter the kind of way where cocoa, it full up for inside pot. Water, it must ever get a place inside the pot. Big people then talk. It come out now for Persindia Elvis for GBHS, Kribi, South Region. We return back small time. Happy National Day, happy big day for country, for all one for outside day, as we all man day for house, for Sika the big day we would get them today for inside we country. Tori for this afternoon, we go start now with the matter for accident them. We go take una, we enter for place where they call them say Pituare. Now for inside Madua country people them, we two Okada them where they make versus. It don't left some 19 years and some 23-year-old man on top sick bed. With the years say they picking for 19 years so he jam for the other accident. He own a problem where he get na chest where be the hottie and the one where they 23 years old he get BB cut for his face as we Tori enter for we ear. Now plenty speed for this Okada people them inside quarter where they call them say Pituare for far north region. Now it provoke this accident for site for Pituare. We go come up for Pituare so for inside Madua we land for another place where they call them say Jarengol. Make we take una one time we enter for Jarengol for that side too. Na so accident country people them where it happen for them and this accident na so Okada two Okada people them where they make versus for on top this chapter and with the here say 4 young people them now them get the accident. We get one for 19, another one for 22, another one 23 years where they get serious cut for their skin and some man where they 40 years he own cut na he left foot where he get a BB Njayo as we to really enter for we ear country people them. So just now total 4 people them where they on top sick bed for that side. So for inside Marwa for sake of this accident so it happen for Jarengol na quarter I name that for Marwa we na so Okada we make versus. So if we want count them only for inside one day 48 hours we get at least 6 people them where they don't talk hospital bed for Marwa only for sake of Okada accident as we at Tori in the enter for inside we here. Another accident, country people them na this one where we hear say he be involved, the big man for some company where they call him say Femenkam the man. He look out the branch them for Yawende and he look out the branch too for that one for a south region. Where the hear say this accident happen now for Douala Yawende Bafoussam highway as we tori he enter for inside we hear country people them. And on top this matter we the hear say inside this chapter one person he die. And now the big man as we tori he enter for inside we hear so the accident we hear now plenty speed where he provoke him on top this accident where he jam with another motor. Small time una go see the other end for the accident. The one person where he die where they tell we say now the big man where the lookout center and south zone for Femenkam and that body that way the only time they come out inside motor as we tori enter for inside we hear plenty speed they don't put them for before this accident will happen for Yawende Bafoussam highway country people them. And just now make we try for see the motor where he dey so he carry the motor for where that accident dey. Now for tell una say the way where the accident be no be na one way person fit survive. Now the motor that where they on top another motor where they don't come out am they take and go now for inside place where the fit go broke that iron them and so na sabi so na the motor that after the accident na just the motor that will see am so one person he die now for tell we say true if person if for come out inside that motor where no nothing no happen na it mean say Olua he be put his hand on top for say make person he no die on top this matter. So now the thing that we pass for Yawende Bafoussam highway. We go talk chapter just now on top Palaba for Chakara for inside Douala. Now for some place where they call them say Rue Memos, country people them. Now for that side where they so act the Chakara be pass. And this house, we hear say the house is there for on top problem as we tori enter for we hear. And this a problem for house. One, it be na brother, another one, na so brother. So now two brother them where they be fight. And it is so the case, it there for courthouse as we tori enter for we hear. And just now court he never finish court if he don't judge this matter and na the brother where he be shidon inside this house he be get the court he be judge in favor for he but just now he other brother he go join with other people there wey na them the one can buy this land for put some business for they go do other things so they take power they can chakada the man a house now for side where they call am say remember so na problem for family according to tori where he enter for inside we EM on top this house where the chakara so now two brother them where they fight on top property and a court if you don't fair judge in favor for one of the brother them when I be there for the house but the other one will be see am say we no be there he talk say he overget stud them he sabi people them so now for see why that paddy man he go join heads then he can chakara house where a brother he the shidon for the country people them just now make we hear waiting where Ash Tese he talk with the other brother wait where he talk for we on top this house where the chakara.
So master way there because for you. Yes. You don't go make koni with my brother them. Then go make Tito Fonsi for this land. You put name for them my two brother them and sister. They overput again name for that master way because for you. Like I say, he be na them brother. Now all them they get land. My name not day. Name for my sister not day. You understand? After Mr. he come out. He say, my brother, me I want my own part. He come out. He make Tito Fonse. That way don't be done Tito Fonse. Now you say don't come give me paper say. I tell them locate with for before say the man will get he don't buy that place. He say he come out. Somehow he come out for security. So from that time I don't want that. Even paper step say, "Boy, when I get a 3 day for say na nothing." But how we don't attack? We get paper decision for justice administrative. But you don't talk say that the paper we don't that you for Tito say you know fight.
Yes, now Manda we dey so the broken house so day now we talk palava for custom people them. We go take una go for it now where with the year custom people they don't cash more than 1,000 bottle them for some alcohol for some mimbo with the year say they go buy this mimbo now right for Nigeria then they be one enter inside it now backside custom people them to the eye e shine now so they cash this more than 1,000 mimbo them where they be the enter for country back door no be na say the mimbo e don spoil we sabi say one of the thing them na say when you carry cargo you must to go as show custom people dey see am and maybe you chook small thing wey na the money wey you get for enter inside bank for country so the people them they be one dodge they no be one time say make custom e check them but instead custom people they only go cash the mimbo so dey fine but as we talk they no be one do official enter they be the take na backside na why that way the custom people then cash this mimbo more than 1,000 bottle them for that side so for Idi now for southwest region place where they call them say Kuseri country people them for that side na plenty bag them for sugar we custom people then catch we enter for another side on top this matter for custom now they bag them that for sugar country people them we people them for under Halcomi 3 for Kuseri they don't catch them as we tori e enter for we ear this one and two they come up for go buy and they be one enter now for backside way they no be one enter clean now for Sikawada way the custom they catch them with the year they back them for sugar e pass 1,000 according to tori way e enter for inside we ear on top that matter. And the divisional officer for Douala 5 subdivision where they call it Oga Songwe Cletus SSF it don't start for fight against people that way they sell medicine for young people that way they do all kind of thing them sabi say it be form some committee where they get for follow up people that they sell medicine where they no get authorized some they say they be one do worker for vex now we Oga DO he call them for office he ask them say true when one of the do business we wanna know the know nothing from governor and where it is so wanna never even they never give una authorize that thing is correct and una the say some kind of medicine them for we picking them this day where they go take am someone they take am they check so they over get power someone they take am for comot belle all that kind of thing them so he fine after we finish talk with these business people them he give them advice say down for them for the say some kind of medicine them where he go make our young people them go now for some kind of way now we don't talk for them say better make they change the business they go for different end down for say they sell medicine where country in no sabi them so Oga Vo Armstrong after Ndongamen he waka direct he enter for inside market for Bonamusadi now for they were plenty of these people there they sell medicine where they never give them authorized they continue and that committee where Oga Vo Armstrong before man for follow up people there they sell medicine where they no get authorized if he block some people them they have been a place for say make they come answer some of them they go for back they go open them carry their medicine then run other one they open the start sell other one them they instead make na envelope for Kagi and for Asongwe Cletus as we to re-enter for we ear but Padiman he deny he said down for say make he see as we use them for Douala 5 they despoil better he see say the kind of people them where they sell medicine for any kind of person may they come out under Douala 5 subdivision Oga Asongwe Cletus he talk for microphone for Steve Ebule
outside for help population to fight against the selling of medicine them by people the way they no get the quality for sell medicine because these people the way they just adventure into that domain they sell any kind of medicine for any kind of man we will begin them they do baba thing them today because of the medicine they buy them for roadside you get trauma and a very bad medicine where school they use them now with the influence them for even act pornographic films for school. So we don't define out say who side they take these drugs because speaking of you go for pharmacy, me they say drug and parents if you go buy that kind of drug for pharmacy we can't give picking. It means say that they buy on a free road. We don't enter market when I don't see them highway small shop them all man up your own pharmacy. Who side did they take the medicine? How did they keep them? And which dose did they prescribe and which experience?
So
government don't talk say all that thing them must stop.
Oga Songwe Cletus wey dey talk on top that matter, and as we tell you now, we get some of these business people there after where they put that lock. They no touch am, it's also the day, and even the DO, Asongwe Cletus, it be waka see am. Then the one the day where they don't can open am nyati, they come out all that thing them for outside. So the advice wey the giam na say down for say make the people them the instead run better. They fit change the binet, they enter na for different section for do that binet. Apart from the said medicine the way do instead make our young picking them for today they get over heart for do some kind thing them where they no get for the do am. Oga Songwe Cletus, he get this advice for people there for outside the way they do binet for some kind of style for a subdivision.
They say that kind of medicine, me change the activity where they do and begin do some other thing where fine. And people the way they go continue for do them, we no go only seize the drug, but we go make sure say they go for answer for before law court. So at the sensitized population for $5, me they be vigilant. Man we one buy medicine, me go for pharmacy. After you don't go for doctor, they tell you say that the doctor na medicine this way you need them. I think say the forces of law and order they be mobilized. Because at the year say some people they want go for strike because we want for do correcting. If me who I be for front, I be administrator, I be like papa for this subdivision, I know if you do correcting, I know if you make sure say they do correcting, then how the country go be? Now why that they get for support me so that more keep this notion where small thing one do they can't give they present an envelope. That envelope they no go help. I want to talk for them, say we go fight this fight to an end. So me they make sure say they get their documents for run like pharmacy, or they change the activity, go for another one way you don't need many documents.
Yes, Oga Asongwe Cletus, where they give advice for people that way they sell medicine where they no get authorized for Duam for Douala 5 subdivision. Just now, for place where they call them say Simbok, country people them, now for Yawende, young man who na the same way people they don't catch it, so they want finity we will knock in. We yes in a person where they catch them for Simbok, where it be one active, as we to re-enter for we yes now for Sika why that. They use them for that side for Simbok, they catch this party man. Only the naki where the one fini nakam now the places where it become for cantive before they follow so they catch. So they after they catch it, they beat it for inside Simbok na for Yawende as we to re-enter for we here. So that nakin na just so tell you say next time make you no enter again say one go thief for Sika say they no go like come again, and as soon as see they only give a small nakin under food for if for sabi say thing where do am e no fine at all. Now for the place where you want go thief. Now for the same place where they carry go, then they whip it for underfoot as we talk. Now hungry, he make them before he be one go thief. Now for inside Simbok, Yawende, with that one, he pass as we hear them. We go take una come out for that side for thief. We talk on top this one too. Kunkuma for inside A2D on Thursday, he be get stranger for a office. Oga Marshal Betty Maras na the ambassador for Central African Republic where he don't finish she done for inside country. So he go talk from Kunkuma Serepe as we dey see me just now. If Mabele dey for before, na him say na go at the go so a time for Cameroon he don't finish, so he go talk from Kunkuma say my time don't finish, and for the time where I be there with you for Cameroon where I be the look all to a concern Central African Republic. I be enjoy all thing whether na any kind of binet the support we country don't give it to. We see other one and the prayer na say even as we don't come out Cameroon e go so the two country them they go so remain combi. So now the latest come out that when Kunkuma come out for A2D for Sika ambassador for Central African Republic where they call it Marshal Betty Maras where it time for she done for Cameroon. If he don't finish, so he go talk for repeat to oh boy. Me too, I go me, we go see. When God, he talks and make us see. Marafa Amidu Yaya, we did hear say they don't take it back, turn back for inside that set, for that side, so for Yawende. Marafa Amidu Yaya, according to Tori, we enter for we EM, he be get corona, so now for Sikawada, way they come out for hospital, they take it go for hospital, so after we the doctor them test, say the corona don't finish, they don't take it on back for Ingata place, now for set, according to Tori, we he enter for inside we EM, country people them now for Yawende. So he don't finish sick corona, they don't send it back again for Nkata. Now for set we he don't turn back for them as we Tori imito we for this side. National Day for inside we country, Avenue Kennedy, for people the way they sabi am today as soon as see am. Na technical country Sunday, it be day for that side, so for inside Avenue Kennedy. Benin people, they no open today. That one nothing that way they ever be. Every national day, just for top one I say, even for Yawende, just like for Douala Yewe, even for fine place, so she don't chop for money time, no day for Aqua. Now so to Yawende too for Avenue Kennedy, the business place. All people them they day for their house. So now for tell we say na big day for country. Just for corner Avenue Kennedy, we get the place where every 20th May with the ever march. Na place where Frenchman Emmanuel Macron go talk say Boulevard du 20 Mai. Me I go talk say na 20th May Gando place. Make we enter for the Manadine for show people them to say that place where the kind of day all kind of uniform people they flop. All kind of uniform people, their motor the flop, even shake and shoot, all thing the flop. The place is quiet since last year. This May Boulevard where they glad any bibingando, it don't just be quiet. They don't abandon them. You understand, no? And all the things they so now for Sika Koro wey dey outside. Now we don't do all things confused as soon as they see and so calling people. So even the Gando place, it just she don't quiet. Like I say today, no be na any big day, but na the big day for country. 20th May and the Boulevard, the Gando ground, it just dey quiet. People they do their normal thing them as soon as they see them for inside that video. And just for sabi, even as well the 20th May, you know be na one way people they fit come up for march. They be respect flag today, country people. Make we take una go from Banga for Mongo division just now for talk. Even as well the 20th May no day for before the office for divisional officer from Banga. The thing where they call say respect for flag. It be happen for the country people them. We will get the divisional officer, Oga Akimo Christian. We will get even a mayor of Banga Council and other police and gendarme. Big people that way all them. They respect the call for the divisional officer from Banga, from Mongo division. Country people them. They welcome where they come for day. Now for come turn up and see as where they put flag for up. Nothing that way they do. Every big day for inside the country. So even as we march, you know the big people them from Banga, the DO and the mayor and gendarme plus police people them, they be there for see as we they put the flag for up as we Tori enter for inside we here. We go come up from Banga just now. We enter for Tiko as soon as the scene nothing will happen to this afternoon for side for Tiko subdivision. Now for Southwest region, the respect for that flag. Now we all man be there. Chief Peter Mesoso, when the mayor for Tiko Council be there present, gendarme they be there, custom be there, even police be there, and all the one be there happen for before the divisional officer, Vo Armstrong will be the DO for that side. So for Tiko subdivision country people them to the turn up, they see as with the army, they be the put flag for up. For on top that the stick with the flag in the ever turn up. Now just part of the thing where they be fit for do for this kind of big day where it is na 20th May where now we own country in national day as we Tori enter for we here. Just now after the Gando Ogavo Armstrong he talk for we.
For sick for where we will live in peace. Now the first message. The second message we say we be for Cameroon, we get diversities. That means we get different ways them, but all of we get to live together in unity. Because not only with that unity we will succeed for achieve the purpose of make we succeed like a strong nation. Make some other people know move we from the road where we don't take them. And the road we don't take them, I say we want for preserve which we will get them. And the thing we will get them is this national unity. No country for the world, or you fit state maybe 2 or 3 other countries for the world, they get this exceptional diversity. You get English speaking and you get French speaking for inside the same nation. So all of this one are the wonderful things the world get us. We get more than 250 tribes. All of this one shows say like a very powerful nation will be. So we consolidate that one, and why that we celebrate this national unity, and they only use this opportunity for tell the population for Tiko say, make they join all of these authorities them. Make they join all of we. May we make say Tiko being at that place where we no go accept say any man can destroy which we will get them. We don't work out, we don't suffer for invest may we try say make we local economy maybe can it turn so that we fit send pikin go school and we fit live happily. Now the main message that I want make we continue to pass am on. Love one another, make we continue for put aside hate speech, division.
Divisional officer for Matiko subdivision and for Saifor Kumba will be land for day this afternoon. Country people them all main road them for inside Kumba a quiet with the ESA country Sunday for that side for K Town. Even as we mash no day one Okada said you be the turn up for road. If you turn up for road for more than 2 hours before you turn see one Okada. So road them for Kumba they be quiet this 20th May as soon as I said this year. But for office for divisional senior divisional officer for Kumba for the office on Tundong Shambalen for the two country people them the normal respect for flag it be pass make we take una enter for SJ office for inside Kumba. Yes now for the country people them where we say will be last land for see as well the 20th May it happen now for inside office just so dumb up for office for Tundong Shambalen now for the way they so we be get the 3 divisional officer there for Kumba, the city mayor Gregory Ntemoyong Meyanu and even the big man from Meme division Tundong Shambalen we all then they be there for see as we soldier them then they put flag for country for up now the respect for the flag as we wanna say so na the CM so for inside Kumba too even as we place a quiet they be so take time for respect the green red color yellow for inside we country as we they put the flag so na see DOSDO the 3 divisional officer them and for their corner you get city mayor for inside Kumba, army rescue big man, gendarme, police and even soldier them where they be there for see as well they respect the flag. Now just the thing now they be fit for do this kind of day where it them na national day for country. We go come out for big day for national day for telling us say Chief Dr. Joseph John Gute too it be day for Boya that one now on Wednesday and waka for Chief Dr. Joseph John Gute as soon as the see the waka now for go officially take fire he put them for gun them where uniform people them they don't seize them and one day where they boy them where they be the whole gun they leave them so the why be been an official gun the way Chief Dr. Joseph John Gute Prime Minister head boy from governor SSF he be stand up he see as we all the gun them they be the bonham for inside Boya for Southwest region as we Tori enter for inside we here. We go finish story this afternoon for talk say just now Bangante he don't get the new mayor na him be that Eric Eme Nyat na he the last vote for Bangante like the new mayor Sabi Seb say this mayor chair for Bangante be don't cause problem so to the SDO he be don't change date 2 times before this last time number 19 day we be day on Wednesday last the last vote Eric Eme Nyat like the new mayor for inside Bangante Council for West Region. Corona update as soon as this number 20 day for May inside the whole world 165,578,681 people that already catch corona inside the whole world since we come 144,635,633 people that don't well since corona come and 3,432,106 people that don't die inside the whole world for Zika corona. Nigeria on Wednesday 43 new cases they were confirmed since corona enter Nigeria 165,852 people they don't catch the sick 158,000 or 56,456 people they don't already well and 2,067 people they don't die since corona enter for Nigeria. Ivory Coast country people them they tell we say for Wednesday 69 people there they test them positive 41 people them well no person no die on top sick bed 262 people they get 262 people they get corona 46,777 people total where they don't get corona since we enter Ivory Coast 46,217 people that don't well and 298 people that already die for Ivory Coast for Zika corona as we wanna see Just now, we go for South Africa with the tell we say for Wednesday. Now 3,522 new cases where they get for South Africa. 1,621,362 people now where they don't get corona since we enter South Africa. 1,528,868 people they do already well, and 55,507 people them don't die since corona he enter for South Africa. As we the doctor them they talk for we. And Sabi Seb say Chief Professor Narcisse Mwele-Kombi he be there for Bafoussam, and now the hospital that we Narcisse Mwele-Kombi he be go for Gosiam, plus other hospital them where they go the talk come good for stranger them where they go enter for site for Bafoussam for this African Nations Cup Cameroon 2021 where they go play for January to February 2022. So the hospital as one as the Siam all thing don't be there. And as soon as see our Funka Augustine when a governor too, he be there for sure. Narcisse Mwele-Kombi place one time we come up from Bafoussam, he no even reach the house, he no reach office. Chief Professor Narcisse Mwele-Kombi land na for Olembe. Sabi say na for day way all people them eye a day. Say if this work is no finish, we don't finish too. Yes, if they no finish the work for Olembe, trouble it go be for Chief Professor Narcisse Mwele-Kombi for Sika say D1. If they come to a D1 hurry the people them put them fire for Sika say calf people them too. They go they come for country small time for come see as we Cameroon. He don't prepare for happen this African Nations Cup 2021. So any minute Narcisse Mwele-Kombi, the chief and the professor, he must ever go look so as we come up Bafoussam. He say if you don't stay where you no see this work, better make you go see him too as well the team it happen. We finish story now with this last bye-bye. We honor them, they give them for one of the vice president them for inside National Assembly, Honorable Emilia Monjowa Lifakawe die. So the last respect for Honorable them, he be passed for Yawende yesterday and make una sabi say die body for Honorable Lifaka Emilia Monjowa. He go come out for co-house of Boya Regional Hospital on Saturday and bury the same day, but Friday they go get already wake up in with die body. You know go be for outside as we Tori enter for inside we hear country people them. Now the Tori them that will bring them for now this afternoon. I want to say big thank you for Theophile. We put camera for my before. Zefren Gonji, Malis, Manadine, all them they help for CCMA program or Metori Iwaka in the proper. Any I want be country people them if Papa God agree. We go meet when in at 8 o'clock for Friday for the last one for the week. Country people, on a whole I'm tight. So till tomorrow.
Equinox Télévision, au-delà de l'image, nous rendons compte. Equinox Télévision, au-delà de l'image, nous rendons compte. De lundi à vendredi sur Equinox Télévision.
It is not because maybe this country acted like this on an issue that we should act the same. The first thing I want to recall to most of us is that Cameroonians are people who believe that, in fact, I should say, believe in their freedom to an extent.
Lorsqu'on parle, n'est-ce pas, de mesures barrières, de passeports verts et tout ce qui va avec, mais les politiciens ne voient pas la question de la violation des libertés et du recul de l'état de droit.
Après l'entrée sur notre territoire de deux vols venus de l'extérieur, que le virus a commencé à se propager. Et même là, le public, l'opinion publique a attiré l'attention du gouvernement sur la nécessité de confiner au moins les deux grandes villes où le virus était déjà présent, c'est-à-dire Douala et Yaoundé.
Généralement, dans nos pays, quand vous avez un proche qui décède, on a plus de facilité à accuser la sorcellerie.